One of my favorite prompts with ChatGPT is the prompt that allows me to take text and convert it into a particular type of format, whether it's HTML or JavaScript for all you coders, CSS. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use this powerful prompt to save thousands of hours, to become incredibly, you're gonna be a cyber human basically after you watch this video. If that's interesting to you, smash like, smash subscribe. You're gonna thrive with AI. That's what you're gonna do. Let me share my screen with you here real quick. So in this example, I'm gonna show you how we can take a text example and turn it into a blog and format it in the correct way, because if it's not formatted in HTML format, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. You gotta reformat it when you get it into the blog, into WordPress, into Wix, whatever you're using, it's a pain. But I'm gonna show you exactly how we're going to take a transcript. This is a transcript from a video that I've recorded. You could do this with Zoom calls. You can do this with all kinds of stuff. You could do some really cool stuff. So anyway, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna come in here first and we're gonna say, hey, please write a blog article based on this text file. Again, you could take this text file from anywhere, okay? And we're just gonna let it play out. We're gonna let it write, and I'm gonna copy and paste it into my WordPress site, and you're gonna see how it's formatted. We're gonna preview it. Next, I'm gonna ask it to write the blog in HTML format, and you're gonna see what it looks like on the blog, okay? So this is gonna be really interesting here. By the way, you probably shouldn't just copy and paste this. You should probably go in here and clean it up a little bit, although I find that when you do something like this, it can typically get you about 90% of the way there. It also helps if you give it more of a complex prompt. Again, in this video, I just really wanted to showcase not all of the prompts, but this specific prompt in general. So what we do is we just come in here, we just copy and paste it in there, boom, 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 and let's hit the preview button to see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so here we are previewing it on my website, and it looks, it looks janky. I mean, it's formatted it a little bit from the copy and paste, but it's not formatted completely properly. Additionally, we're not gonna get the proper headers and so on and so forth. So you can see our rank is pretty low on this as well. So let's go ahead and let's just undo everything we've done there. We don't like it. And let's ask it to do something a little bit different here. We're gonna say, please write a blog based on this text file in HTML format. And you're gonna see the difference in what we get here. All right, so again, it's going ahead, it's doing its thing. You might say, Mark, this looks weird. Computer language is weird. I don't know what to tell you. It's weird, it's different. When my parents tried to put me in computer coding class when I was a kid, I was not into it. I would much rather be outside playing basketball and playing Manhunt and all these fun games. But alas, that's what it was. The good news is, because of all the people that know how to code, all these geniuses out there, it's made it so much easier for regular people like us to leverage these tools. It's unbelievable. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna copy this code. You can see the copy code right here. We're gonna copy the code, come over here, and we're gonna paste the code into our blog. And then let's go ahead and let's preview what that looks like. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna copy this code, and we're gonna go over here to our, in this case, WordPress site. You might use something different. And what we're gonna do is we're going to select custom HTML. You can't just paste it in there. So we're gonna put in the custom HTML, and then let's hit preview. And you can see it's instantly created this just unbelievable. It's just so crazy. So it's automatically done that. Let's go ahead and convert to blocks, and we're going to preview in a new tab to see what we've got here. What does it look like? You can see also our SEO has ranked. I mean, obviously we need to do a little bit more to rank this in SEO, but it's already ranking a little bit higher than it did the first time. And you can see this just looks much nicer. It's inputted in the headers properly. This is going to need a little bit more finessing, but again, you're able to almost instantly see the difference in what's possible. So anyway, I just wanted to showcase that. This is really powerful if you're using automation. Basically, anytime you're uploading something to your website, it's gonna be easier if you've got it coded in HTML format. Now I'm gonna show you another example for all you coders out there. Again, this channel is really designed to help the everyday person, not the software engineers, all the regular everyday people completely not just survive, but thrive with AI. That's what my newsletter is all about, AIupdate.ai. You can get informed, you can stay informed, you can really crush it with AI. I'm on a mission to help 1 million people thrive with AI. You can get in on all of this at AIupdate.ai. but I just wanted to kind of showcase what this is capable of doing. So let's say we have an example online furniture store, and this is kind of what it looks like, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here into ChatGPT, and we're going to upload from the computer this mobile shopping app template, and we're gonna say, please act as my coding and app developing expert. We actually covered this in a previous video. If you subscribe to the channel, you're gonna get to see all of these videos here, but please act as my coding and app developing expert. Please write JavaScript code so to develop an app based on the attached image. Please act as my coding and app developing expert. Please write JavaScript code to develop an app based on the attached image. And here it just kind of gets started. It says creating a complete app involves numerous steps, from designing the UI to handling business logic and backend integration. And again, what I could do with ChatGPT is I could ask it to break it down into several steps. In this video, we're not going to go quite that deep, but it says based on the attached image, I'll provide basic structure for JavaScript-based mobile app using React Native, which is a popular framework for building mobile applications. You could just see it go from there. Boom, login screen. Boom, home screen. Boom. You can see it's writing all this code in real time. I'm not typing, y'all. I'm not typing. This is all ChatGPT building out our app in real time. This is crazy. This is really, really crazy stuff, and it's only getting better. And if you're gonna stay up to date with this, you need to subscribe to the newsletter. I'm telling you, y'all, it's free. I don't want anything from you except to see you succeed. Your success is my success, humanity's success. It's my dog Yoda's success. He's over here sleeping. So go to AIupdate.ai. Don't miss out. And if you have ever experienced anything like this, leave it in the comments below. I wanna know about it. All right, I'll catch you next video, right? Peace.